Hey guys, good morning. We just woke up. My day I feed Mila. She eat her Nestle porridge. Mila! And Errol is watching, of course, football, soccer. What else Errol can watch? 24/7. And that we fight over, you know. Me want to watch some Netflix, Errol wants to watch football only. Yes.
I'm only home on the weekends, mostly.
Sometimes.
Weekend of the football.
Now, me talk about summertime. We did fight a lot, but right now, yeah, it's more easy.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Errol is a soccer 24/7 guy, so he's pressing uniform.
Yeah, for the week.
Yes, pressing in a bulk. People have talked about bulk by bulk save, see? Press bulk save. Save energy, save your time.
And it make the week less stressing.
Yeah, but honestly, me feel like nothing can save energy. In Jamaica, your bill still come high. You know, no matter how you try. It's yeah.
But as I said, I'm more time because every day I come home from work tired, the press it take a lot. So I'm do it on the Sunday when I'm free. It's easier. You know, do it a week easier.
Yeah, easier during the week, cause trust me guys, me busy and tired as well. Sometimes, yeah, when I forget I press before school quick and fast, but yeah, it's a contribution to the family, see? Everybody have to contribute something. Errol is pressing, Errol contribution. Me take care of Mila most of the times, my contribution. That's how we roll. Hey Mila, what's up? Hey Mila. Hey Mila. How you doing? You like a porridge? Looks like you don't like it.
What you doing there? Oh, what are you doing? Doing your homework? Okay. Yeah, good. So we had a football tournament yesterday. You scored some goals. Hatchick here, yeah. So he's up Sunday morning. He didn't do it Saturday because of the tournament. Yeah. Yeah, hide. It's not fully dressed. So even the light, a blinking thing, people always tell me say it run a lot of electricity. You know, Sagi? Yeah. When the stove plug in and you leave it on with the light, a blink on it, it run electricity. You know? Okay. That's what somebody told me one time, so I'm gonna plug it up.
Yeah. I'm normally plug it.
I know.
No, I'm turn it off and I plug things off. But maybe sometimes I forget.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm busy, you know?
That's okay.
And the baby's crying sometimes. You just have to try everything and go around to the baby and comfort the baby or do something for the baby to calm her down, you know?
You 2 million through the iPad? She want to come down?
She want. Hey. Yes, so right now I'm trying to stop breastfeed, guys, and I don't know if I can find in Jamaica the pill that can stop the, how come you call it, lactation.
Okay, so why you want to stop breastfeed?
Because she's 2 years old and me tired. It takes a lot of power. Yeah, I'm just tired.
So then you just put some Syncobi up on your wrist and then she stop?
Not so easy. It's not a business. I tried that.
You tried that?
And plus, yeah, your breast will still produce milk. I don't know. She's 2 years old and I feel like
she can't stop now?
tough luck. Yeah.
Yeah, 6 more months now.
I'm tired. Can't do that anymore. You know, easy, no?
Can't imagine. And worse, Mila make you sit because as soon as I sit, Mila run.
I can't sit during daytime. Can't sit down.
None at all.
As soon as me park up myself somewhere, Mila runs to me. She wants breast. She feels like that is the signal for her. I need to break her out of it because I want to sit. I want to rest too. I can't just all day I want to eat. It's impossible.
Yeah, guys, so Swaggy's, I think Swaggy's getting better at this year, do you think?
Wow.
What the hardest thing about it though?
separate the sectors.
What them call part.
Yeah.
Jamaican call it part. It's a part a year.
Yeah. Sometimes like because the hair is a lot. Yeah, it just confuses me, and I'm automatically think like I can't do that, you know.
Okay.
But nothing is impossible. You just have to take it easy, you know.
Take your time, man.
Yeah. But it just when it's just you know, you see the hair itself, you just feel like I can't do that. Like straight now I can just make two buns like that. Like Mickey Mouse buns, and that's it. I don't really have confidence right now to let Mila go with that hairstyle because people will say the sectors are not separated good.
Okay.
I can like let her run in that hairstyle in the house. So I don't feel like I would want for now with that situation to let her out in the streets. Yeah, I'm not ready yet, but I could be there.
Okay.
Nobody can stand, nobody can diss me. Would.
How would the subtle understand this? Okay, today's students in groups students discuss how to sets of items to take care of their body. Students must also identify the geometric shapes. This is not activity. It's just showing you your needs.
Awesome. And you have a big brother who's an honor roll student to help little brother with his homework. So Leo was just in grade 3. So he's pretty familiar with the grade 3, right? So because I'm over here pressing.
I'm at grade 4, so I'm gonna do.
You're gonna do pep. Yeah, so you can help another. He's grade 3, right? You know, if you give me the hanger now, yeah? You take all of my hanger them. So Mila have a spot. Everything will should fine. She take it and put in this basket. So I'm gonna hang up all these clothes, man. Thank you. Okay? I'm gonna use them. No, you cannot get it. I'm gonna use it. This is how girls behave? Okay, madam? No, she wanna hang on. She'll check it. I need it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna use it. This much for the different levels. Different levels. Different levels. I don't think any of the boys will like this. Mila? Oh, sure. Good day, homework. Go back to homework.
I left the pets at school.
Oh, you always left the pens at school, so you go do homework. How much pencil? Well, almost every week, I have to give you a pencil. You get her to calm down?
I'm not really thinking for confidence. My message should look clean.
It's very clean.
I just have to not mess it. Because it's white.
It's very right and clean.
Why does he look to me?
She put everything in that basket. Here's a little pencil. This is what you get when you lose pencil every week. No joke, man. Come. Let me see if I can find a bigger one. Give you.
I can catch this.
Yeah, breakfast ready.
catch this. Dad.
Breakfast on the table, Leo.
Daddy.
Alright.
You want some water?
Okay, boy. Didn't I say to read it first and see if you understand it?
I'm just saying if these were correct.
Most verbs are action words. Are doing words. Write the past tense after words in bracket by adding D or ED. Yesterday, mother cleaned the floor with disinfectant and liquid soap. Correct. The garbage truck came early last Friday and removed all the garbage. Correct. Our teacher washed her hands before she ate her lunch.
Correct.
Father tasted
Delicious.
delicious meal before mother had a chance to put it on the table. Father tasted. Yeah, correct. Food should be covered and safely stored from flies and cockroaches. He brushed his teeth before going to bed. Good job. You did all this by yourself? So what are the verbs again?
Words.
What are verbs?
Verbs are something like D,
Right?
ED.
That's how you make a verb. That's how you make a verb a past tense. That's how you make a verb a past tense. But what is a verb? What does it say? Read over the instruction at the top. What it says is a verb.
Most verbs are action or doing.
What you just say? Most verbs are what?
Are doing.
Most. Read over again. So most verbs are what?
Are action word.
Action word. Hey, stop. What's an action? Tell me action.
Action is something when a movie is going to start, they just say action and then it goes on.
Then it goes on. That's alright. Yeah, they use action in a movie. But when they say action, look at this page. Look at this page. What is this guy doing?
Riding a bike.
He's doing what? Riding. Riding is what?
Riding is something when you sit on it and then it starts to move.
So is moving, is riding and moving considered an action? Is it an action? When you're playing football, what do you do to the ball?
Dribble.
Dribble. And dribbling is what? Is moving, right? So that's an action. How do you score a goal? What do you have to do?
Kicking the ball in the goal.
So when you kick the ball is what?
It's a goal.
And is that an action? So you get what's an action? You get what's a verb? A verb is a what?
A verb is
A action word. So anything that requires you to move is an action. It's a verb. Can you tell me something else that you think is a verb? Tell me some other action that you think is a verb. What other action do you think is a verb? Tell me action. Kicking is a verb, dribbling is a verb, riding is a verb. Tell me something else. Don't point on the picture.
this one.
So later say juggling. Juggling is a verb. It's an action. What is that? A toothpaste is a verb?
No,
A toothpaste move?
no. See, it's
Hey, think with you, so come, use this. Dribbling, kicking, riding are all actions. Tell me something that's a verb.
juggling,
We said that already.
jumping,
Jumping.
running,
Leah, give me no more. Come, you give me one. Give me something that requires movement.
doing skills,
You're doing skills. Push-ups, action. Anything that requires you to move.
abs,
Yeah, abs, that's an action. So squats, action. You understand? You get it? I get busy now. We reach down this, sir. Leah, help me with the rest, yeah?
solve. How many inches?
No, come eat. Go and eat. Eat and help me, come.
Then write the answers. Mother spread the house and many insects were killed.
Anil.
30 flies, 59 cockroaches, and 79 red ants.
Okay. Boys, the party already started. Go sing happy birthday.
Because inside the bag. Yeah. Bhaiya, Didi. Every Christmas Okay, can we have one? All of you look here, please, for a minute. Auntie,
Hi. Come, go take a picture. Come closer, Danny. Come closer.
moving.
Aditya, they are taking picture. What are you doing? Let me just do as Donnie said. But he looks cheese. Cheese something, Nana. And every time whenever I hold but
The boys are their friends, their teammates, birthday party.
Our last time we had to go against Mali. We beat the whole competition. We beat Mala's like
Guys, this is some Indian food we are trying. I need to ask the name of it because people told me the name of it, but I forgot already. I guess party is going on. Party agwan. Everybody chilling. Kids play ball. What they can do? What else they can do? They're football players. And the parents are enjoying and eating. And job, you know, 3 kids got a sting from jellyfish. Not jellyfish? Where? Oh my gosh, it's red for sure. Oh my gosh. The rain is on the way. The sky looks dark.
There's a jellyfish. There's a jellyfish. It's coming up for you.
Oh, I got a mini gift.
Yeah, man, we're watching with ball.
Your birthday? Your birthday? We're getting gifts. Alright. Alright.
So soon I can send these 4 by themselves. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. So they are jumping. Says, yeah, manager feed little sister. Like a big boy. This is what? What's that? What's that?
Does these seeds grow pumpkin?
It does grow pumpkin. So I'll have to do this travel with you guys and be a security. Leo, breaks your brother in front of you.
I did break.
My precious. You are feeling the youth.
Done.
Yes, Leo, take care, sister, my boss.
I'm already 10.
Yeah, so.
I'm 10.
You're already 10, yeah, you're 10 now. Double digits. Can you believe? Big boy. Next few years, this year, each teenager. And I try to give him a beer chat.
Has your own preference.
Who don't like that? You don't like that? Is it she likes that?
What's going on in there?
What she loves? Why your face looks so little, girl?
It's not.
Yeah, but should be her mouth and not her face. Eat it. Panache. See you.
It's how Steven's family chill on Friday.
Whoa!
Ooh. Hey Leo. What's your favorite hobby?
Football.
Daniel, what's your favorite hobby?
Oh my god! What?
What's your favorite hobby?
What does hobby mean?
Like, what's your favorite thing to do?
Oh yeah. Playing football in the backyard.
Yeah, what's the favorite? Cheese.
Trees just getting higher and higher, like, try to reach heaven.
What?
Mila. Yeah, привет. Errol, see, she put your slides in the pool. Just that. Garbage station. Instead of like sitting in the pool and playing. She don't want nothing to come out of it. She will force Errol. She wants to put it back. She doesn't let nobody take stuff out of her pool. She just collects everything in the pool. Mila! Leah, Sue?
What are you?
Oh yeah!
Remove this. Watch it.
Pass, Mom. Pass. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
As did you notice, Daniel adopted a new skill. How does they call? What does this call? How many? How does it call, Leah?
Huh?
Dribbling? No,
No, juggling.
juggling. Yeah, me catch him on the video. How many?
25.
Wow. See, Danny, how Leo happy for you? I saw you feel happy for me, for Leo, you know?
Can I see?
Yeah? You have to celebrate Una wins for supportive brothers.
Yeah, Ronaldo reached 25 already. I did 8 when he was 9. I did 10 when I was 7.
Go on, bro.
I also did 10 when I was 8.
Come
Oh,
on, get.
I'm so happy that I did 25. Can I juggle again?
This will give up. You ready for Danny? Now juggle with you then?
Oh, please, hold on.
it.
Alright, fine.
So it's tired.
Alright.
It's whatever. Go ahead.
It's hard.
It's okay, but
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
bye.
Bye.
Damn it.
Why? Why?
Ronaldo!
Honey, you did good. You did great. Now rest. It will soak in. It will soak in and you can do it again. Don't overwork yourself. Take time.
Why you keep on a kitchen when
Once you break the record,
I think you pay tight.
you can do it.